Hello everyone. 1.1.1.1 plus WRF Safer Internet VPN Overview. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Dots, and in this video I'm going to show you the app review. It's called uh, it's VPN app. You can see the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5 and 878k reviews and 9.8 megabyte size of the app, and 100 million people already downloaded this app. So this is really easy to use. You just need to install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Then after installing, you need to log in. Then here you'll see there is some option. So basically it is disconnected. Also click on that, also tap on that. Then you can see you need to tap here and it's connected. It's really easy, and then you can use browser anything. So simply click install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.